Hey guys, what's up? Gary here from Not Working Tomorrow. This is our Landcruiser. Get lots of questions about it. We've made a few short videos about it. So in this episode we're going to go around all the external stuff on the car. Suspension, tyres, bar work, all that sort of stuff. Let's have a look. So across the front here we've got the TGAM bar work. We've got the steady 8.5 Type X LED spotties, they're great. And under here we've got the TGAM 12,000 pound winch with a nylon rope. That thing is bulletproof. Lugs this big thing's ass around, no problems. We've got the GME aerial on the front. You see we've got the black bonnet wrap. We've done that for two reasons. One reason is to protect the bonnet from all the bird shit and stone chips and stuff. The other reason was to keep the glare off the bonnet into your eyes. So down here we've got the TGAM scrub bars and the TGAM side steps. Yeah, on the top of the side steps there we've got the matte black finish to away from the silver, just to blend it all in. Rims and tyres, we got the ROH Patriots. They're 18x9. We're running the Toyo Open Country RTs. They're 285 65/18. Suspension wise, here we got the Lovells 3800 GVM kit. That seems to be keeps the car riding nice, even with a van on. Doesn't seem to bother it. No need for airbags or a weight distribution hitch. On the side here we've got the Clearview tow and mirrors. They pull in and out nicely. Great for when you're towing. Other side indicators here, part of the GVM upgrade, had to have them. Up top here we've got the Rhino rack platform. And across the front the steady light bar. It's out more than enough light. We've got the Foxwing awning. It's a bit too windy today, so we haven't put that out. Also got some work lights here. 2 on each side, 10 watts each. If you notice, we've put some yellow window film on there. Just to keep the bugs away at night time. Seems to do the trick. Yeah, so we're going to need a rear bar soon. We go for the single wheel carrier and jerry can option. Not sure what we're going to get yet. Any recommendations, let us know. Top of the Rhino rack there, we've got the another rear view camera. There's so much gear in the back, you can't actually see at the back at all. PVC holder there that carries our fishing rods. Cargo box. We have the Oz 10 RV4 up there as well for when we're not in the van. We'll just swag it out in that. Shovel holder, max tracks. There's a couple more of those work lights there, as you can see. Put out heaps of light. Max tracks there on the side. Of course, the Not Working Tomorrow signage down the sides. It's actually stopped a lot of stone chips up the side of the doors there, which is proven handy. And we've got the TGAM AirTech snorkel. A lot of people ask us why we rent that over the Safari or any of those other brands, but it's just easier with all the TGAM gear. It all works in well together nicely. Righto, so that concludes the outside tour. Next time we're going to go through the internal stuff and show you what's all in the inside and stuff. Cheers.